Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are looking at a ductless split system that we added to this ADU. As always, please like and subscribe to our videos for really cool content. And so let's get right into it. So this house has a square footage of about 1,300 for the main house over here, and then they built this ADU in the backyard as a separate office. So they wanted to add a ductless split to cool it, so we were able to come out and do that. This house is this little ADU is roughly about 120 square feet. We'll take a walk inside here. You can see right there, you got the ductless on the wall. Over here has a slightly high ceiling. It's not super high. It goes from about 8 foot to about 10 foot. Some windows, and we also have windows with screens on them over here so you can open the doors. But they put an electric panel right here. This uses a 30 amp 2-pole circuit breaker, which we ran down and we ran out the back here. That goes to the disconnect. Out there, we put the fuses in this disconnect box right here. We ran the lines in this line cover right here that go down all the way over to the condenser and in, as well as the control wiring is in there, and the condensate drain that is right here. We left it right here because eventually we're actually going to bury that and bring that into the garden over here so it will feed the grass area. This is a Carrier unit. It is a 9,000 BTU or 3/4 ton heat pump condenser. Unfortunately, the label did not come with the unit, but it is a Carrier unit. I can show you guys the model tag right there if you want to see that. There's all the lines coming into the unit. So this heat pump condenser is 28 SEER. It is the Performance Series condenser from Carrier, and we match that inside with the fan coil on the wall here, which is a 9,000 BTU fan coil. It has all the cool features of the variable speed inverter compressor outside, so it will ramp up and down for the speeds depending on what you need. Right now we have it set at 75 degrees there. It's blinking a little because of my camera. Obviously the blades swing up and down. It comes with the remote control right here, so you can control all the functionality. So yeah, it was a pretty easy install. Like I said, this is about 120 square feet, so if you were to want to do something that would take care of a little bigger place, maybe it's 300 square feet or something, you would put a little larger heat pump condenser and fan coil, maybe a 12,000 BTU or an 18,000 BTU. But if you have any more questions about this install or a project of your own that you need some help with, please leave a comment in the section below. Remember to hit the notification button for more videos like this, and always like and subscribe my page. You can reach us at 714-526-6368 or at www.albertair.com. Thank you.